Good morning, friends, and welcome to what will be a 2-day part vlog. Yes, I do have my fancy glasses on. I just stopped and got Dunkin' because on the way to Dunkin' there's a little spot where food trucks park and the acai truck was there. This one in particular has more than just the normal like purplish acai base, and I absolutely love like the mango one, and there's like a blue coconut one that are very good, and that's what I got. The bummer is that the truck itself is based out of New Richmond, Wisconsin, and I personally have only been to New Richmond a handful of times in my life because I was playing like a basketball or a volleyball game there. New Richmond's not necessarily a place you go for like shopping or food. So whenever they're here, I always have to make sure that I stop. Today is a 2-part vlog. One, because I have Miracle League tonight, and that's at 5:45. So I'm not quite sure how long I'm going to be spending today in the classroom because I would like to paint that closet. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to paint the outside or just the inside, because the inside's where the icky is, and that would look good painted white. Whereas like the outside, it's kind of a nice brown, I guess you could say. The problem is with the closet itself, one of the shelves is white and the rest of them are just like dirty and dinged up. But again, like I teach in a school that's 50 years old, and that's one of the perks of being in an older school is you have a lot more leeway to make change with like paint and furniture decisions. Whereas like the newest elementary school in my district that was built, actually it was finished during COVID. It's only 5 years old, so they can't change a thing. The kindergartners have desks and tables that'll have wheels on them, and I'm sure you can imagine that that's a terrible decision. Kindergartners rolling all over the place, but they can't change it because that's what was ordered for them, and they're stuck with that furniture for a long time. My school, nobody cares. So today we're going to be doing painting, maybe starting organization depending on how long the painting takes, and then tomorrow I'm going to come back and do a little labeling. I don't work at Walmart. Today is Tuesday. I didn't work at Walmart yesterday, and I don't work at Walmart tomorrow. So just 3 days of no Walmart means a productive teaching and housework, Monica. And here we are, back in the classroom. And here is today's order of business. So besides taking this stuff out, I think I'm gonna leave this outer wooden frame right here brown. That way I can leave that brown, and we'll see how that looks. And then maybe I'll paint the frame, or I could put contact paper on it. Like this black white speckle could look super cute if I put that on the frame. And then it would match with the rest of my white with pops of black in color. But yeah, first off, let's get this stuff out of the closet. I was gonna play some music, but obviously that is not gonna happen. I'm going to put the air on and empty that closet out. I have to move my bin collection from one table to the other. Yes, I'm not bringing those empty bins home until I know I don't need them. And because we have that new curriculum, functional phonics, coming, I don't know what I need until I see the materials. Let's do a little outfit of the day. Having fun isn't hard when you've got a library card, Arthur, and then orange shorts, old Walmart. I like these ones because they have pockets. Nobody wants shorts without pockets, come on. And then my headband is Hello Headband. Let's go get our acai bowl. Okay, and here is where we are leaving it after day 1. From afar, it looks absolutely fine. And when you consider that the vast majority of these bins block most of it, like I probably could get away with not having a second coat if I was really lazy, but I'm not. We will do another coat tomorrow and we'll fix the bottom. I didn't want to sit in the paint, so that's why I didn't fix the bottom. And I still haven't decided about this trim. I put a poll on Instagram if I should keep it brown, if I should paint it white, or if I should do contact paper. And the contact paper would be this black and white speckle, which I have a pile of it at my parents' house, so I wouldn't have to buy it. Our Denver is actually retiring at the end of this month. Tomorrow we're doing like a secret surprise party for him, so the majority of the staff will actually be here tomorrow. So I'm gonna ask everybody their opinion, and so then I can decide what I'm doing with this closet. And then, if I don't get too distracted with talking to all my coworkers, which is very likely to happen, I'm going to redo all of these labels. I think this will be the 3rd time in 9 years that I've redone this, but it's really easy because I use the Target pouches, and then it's just a matter of printing it and putting a new one in there, and I don't even bother laminating it, so it's very quick. I'm going to do basically this, and this itself is actually binder covers from Rachel Burnett, I believe, and I just printed 4 pages per sheet so that it's small. So I think that's what I'm gonna do for these, because the black will go well with the purple clip part and then the closet itself. It's 9 o'clock. I've wandered around. I've talked to coworkers. I've eaten half of a donut. We are finally ready to get back to this closet. Welcome back, day 2 of fixing up this closet. It is a Wednesday. We are going to get to work. We're going to start at the bottom so that I don't sit in paint, and then we'll just go up. And then while that's drying, we'll do labels for this. Yay! Let's do it! I actually was planning to get out of here at a decent time. Now that it's raining, watching Miss Kong's campers. It's raining and it's also 80 degrees, so like ridiculously humid. So we'll probably be here like 2 more hours until janitorial staff leaves, because what else would I do with my day if I can't be outside? I did finish the closet. I'm eating my lunch, which is a buffalo chicken dip. It looks terrible, but it tastes delicious. Some people eat it with vegetables, but I just eat it with chips. Come on, I'm a chip girl. And then here's the closet. There's definitely a couple spots where it's not fully done. Like you can see it's kind of grayish bluish in that corner, but the bins will cover it. However, the ledges of the shelves, like that's a big hole in the shelf itself. I think I might do washi tape on it because it's about the size of washi tape. And Instagram was very divided between, do I do it white or do I do it polka dot? I don't know, guys. What do you think? Polka dot on the outside or white? Okay, so this is the label I'm going with. So this is Rachel Burnett's binder covers. As I said, I just reformatted it. Right click on it. Format. Size. My labels for Target are about 3.5 by 3.5, so I just put it to that so it should fit in the label, and then I added a cute little sticker from Rachel Burnett on it, and that should work. I'm going to just go ahead and type in my label and then replace them. Not gonna film that because it would take forever. Oh, a phone call. It is like absolutely pouring out there. I basically have all of my labels done. Yay. But I don't trust this to be dry, so we'll just stop back tomorrow after I work. I'm pretty sure I only work till noon, so then we can finish up this video. I'm also pretty sure I left my windows open like this much, so I might have a wet seat going home. Happy Thursday! Got done with Walmart, grabbed covers for lunch, and here we are in the classroom to finish our friend, the closet. I thought I would do an outfit of the day because I really like this outfit. So it's in my teacher era, like, you know, Taylor Swift version. I think it's from Amazon or it's Etsy. If I can find it, I'll link it. My headband is Shein, and these shorts I'm obsessed with. They're like a flowy material, but they've also got the shorts underneath. and they're from Amazon. I think I paid like $25. You can choose the inseam too. So these are the 5-inch because I'm a tall person. I need a little more fabric than the 3-inch inseam. I really like them. Comes in lots of cute colors. I got them in like a lavender color like this too. Okay, let's fill this closet up. Yay! It looks so good. We're gonna pause right here. A little bit of organizing with the rest of the stuff that needs to go in. And I do have the other bins, don't worry. So these are the only ones that I need to laminate because I need to put magnets on the back of them and they don't go in a container like the rest of them, they stick on it. If I'm using materials that go on things like the Math Talk boards that are being handled every single day, I make sure to hot glue them. But in this case, these magnets with a sticky back, and then I also have this magnetic tape. I believe both are from Walmart in the fabrics and crafts department. So we'll just put some magnets on here. And here we have it, the finished closet. There are a couple things that I want to label with my Silhouette Cameo. So it's basically like a Cricut machine with like actual vinyl. So like this is vinyl, this is vinyl. I'm going to do vinyl for this too because it's like the same container. And then this is just like, we've got the letterboard letters. These are wiki sticks, like random extra tubes and sponges. And then these are oil pastel crayons. So they wouldn't fit in like containers like this, but they look fine up there. I'm so happy. I am going to end this video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me in my beautiful closet. I'll see you guys in the next video.